Unleash unlimited power. ExpertPower 30KWH Solar Kit. Say goodbye to electricity bills forever. Imagine never worrying about power outages, skyrocketing energy costs, or unreliable electricity again. The ExpertPower 30KWH off-grid solar system kit is your personal power plant, delivering 8,640 watts of clean, renewable energy directly to your home, cabin, or backup system. Equipped with 6 48-volt 100 amp-hour lithium iron phosphate batteries, 16 ultra-efficient 540-watt solar panels, and 2 beastly 6,500 watts hybrid inverters with 120 amps MPPT controllers, this kit isn't just off-grid, it's off-the-charts powerful. With smart connectivity, flexible scalability, and a 10-year battery lifespan, you'll never rely on the grid again. Power outages? Not in your house. What makes ExpertPower superior? It's all about high efficiency, cutting-edge lithium technology, and military-grade durability. While other systems struggle in extreme conditions, this battle-tested beast withstands high winds, freezing temperatures, and scorching heat. The lithium iron phosphate batteries boast up to 7,000 cycles, meaning a decade of reliable energy with no drop in performance. Thanks to MPPT charge controllers with 98% tracking efficiency, every drop of sunlight is converted into pure, uninterrupted power. Unlike cheap lead-acid systems, this requires zero maintenance, meaning less hassle, more power, and a system that practically pays for itself. Worried about installation? Don't be. The ExpertPower Solar Kit is designed for easy setup, but if you prefer, hire a pro for plug-and-play energy independence. The inverter's Wi-Fi capability allows real-time system monitoring via a smartphone app, so you can track performance and optimize power usage from anywhere. Plus, this system is expandable, add extra panels or inverters as your power needs grow. Whether you need 120 volt for home appliances, 240 volt for split-phase power, or even a 208 volt 3-phase setup, this smart inverter adapts to whatever you throw at it. It's not just a solar system, it's your energy revolution. Think about how much money you waste on electricity bills every year. Now imagine never paying them again. The ExpertPower 30KWH solar system eliminates your dependence on utility companies, saving you thousands of dollars over time. Unlike gas generators that require constant refueling, this system harvests free energy from the sun, day after day, year after year. Plus, with pure sine wave inverter technology, your electronics and appliances run smoother and more efficiently. It's not just a money saver, it's a life changer, ensuring you always have power when you need it most. Bottom line? This system is a powerhouse, built for those who demand top-tier efficiency, reliability, and energy independence. The ExpertPower 30KWH solar kit is not a toy, it's a serious off-grid solution that delivers serious results. Whether you're powering a home, prepping for emergencies, or going completely off-grid, this system ensures you stay powered, no matter what happens. No more blackouts. No more outrageous energy bills. Just pure, unfiltered power at your fingertips. Ready to take control of your electricity? Click Add to Cart and power up your life today.